Gordon's presents How to Use the SedgeStop Shaker Can. SedgeStop Nutsedge Weed Killer from Gordon's gives you fast, season-long control of sedges and KYLLINGAS, as well as select broadleaf weeds. Powered by the proprietary active ingredient Vexis, the granular formulation of SedgeStop eliminates the need to mix products, reduces the potential for drift, and the shaker can makes spot applications simple. First and foremost, be sure to read product label instructions before you begin. You also need to make sure it's sedge that you're targeting. Yellow nutsedge has triangular-shaped stems and a prominent midrib. The leaves are light green or yellowish in color, and purple nutsedge has dark green leaves that end in a blunt tip. Now that you've ID'd the sedges, open the flip top on the SedgeStop lid. Opening it to the first notch provides the ideal coverage. Shake out the product in a steady, consistent motion over target weeds. But to get the best results, water in the product within 48 hours. 2 pounds of SedgeStop covers up to 500 square feet, providing fast, effective control of sedges, KYLLINGAS, and select broadleaf weeds. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to close the shaker can lid for storage. Thanks for watching.